Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Eurocircuits EC-Placer. In this video we will go over the placing of SMT components with this device step by step. As our components are on reels, we'll mount them into the SMT feeder before starting. Just slide the reel in between the wooden blocks and the metal plates on top. Then you can peel back some of the foil so you can pick up components out of the reel. Next in our preparation is to place the PCB holding pins into the grid of the pick and place. These pins prevent the board from moving while you're working on it and help align it straight to the feeder. After that, select the right nozzle to use. This will depend on the weight and size of the components you want to place. Now we can start up the camera software and select the desired resolution. We recommend 1280 by 960 because it makes a decent compromise between quality and frame rate. Once the image is on the screen, adjust the angle and focus of the camera as needed. Make sure you can see the nozzle when it is pressed down. Also, you can adjust the intensity of the built-in LEDs with the inline potentiometer. Now we can place the PCB and push the nozzle down onto a recognizable spot such as a via. We can now drag one of the crosses in the software onto that spot, and that will be our target for picking up and placing down the components. Lastly in our preparation is movement blocking. You can set 3 levels of blocking by pushing the blue button on top of the EC-Placer. Level 1 blocks the X working area. This holds the metal bar on the X axis in place, thus restricting the X working area of the head. Level 2 blocks the X working area and the Y axis. This means you can still move left or right within the X working area, but not back and forward. Level 3 adds X axis blocking, which means the whole head is blocked except for the up and down motion for placing a component. After that, our preparation is done and we are ready to start. Pick up a component by putting the nozzle down on it and pressing the green wired pedal. This will activate the vacuum pump, and in turn this will hold on to the component. You can use the blue wired pedal to block the movement of the head depending on the settings from earlier. You can also use a pair of tweezers for angled components or to make some adjustments. And that's it! Our components are now in place and we can move on to the reflow oven to get the paste melted and the components soldered in place. Thank you for watching and feel free to ask any questions in the comments down below.